Yoga originates from Indian culture.
Yoga is an ancient practice that combines physical posture, breathing and meditation.
Yoga can help to manage the stress, boost up the energy and improve mental health.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dhyanam. Sit in Vajrasana pose. Keep in your hand Bhairava Mudra. Slowly close your eyes. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Concentrate your breathing level. Slowly rub your hands. Apply on your face. Slowly open your eyes. See your phone. Relax. Next, Kapalabhati Pranayama. Sit in Padmasana pose. Keep in your hand Chin Mudra. 1 time breathe in, 10 time breathe out. This is a Kapalabhati Pranayama. Okay, start. Breathe in. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Next, Surya Namaskaram. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 'Bhadrasana' position. Sit in butterfly pose. Raise your hands. Slowly forward bend. Relax. Next, Dhanurasana position. Lie down. Catch your angle. Check your head position. Start. Relax. Next, Simhasana. Sit in Padmasana pose. Sit in center of the mat. Position. Start. Relax. Next, Viparita Paschimottanasana. Stand up all of you. Start. Relax. Next, Purana Bhujangasana position. Come to Bhujangasana position. Lie down. Start. Bhujangasana. Touch your head.
Pavanati Pankajam Jnana Yajna
Relax. Next, Navukasana. Boat pose. Start. Relax. Next, Asvanjalasana. Peacock pose. Position. Stand up, all of you. Vrichasana. Position. Start. Come forward. Turn your back. Roll your mat.